finally we're here after security. Gosh, Alex, why did you get here so early? I mean, because we need time. Really? Time? We're 3 hours early. Our flight leaves at 6. We're here right now and it's 2 o'clock. Whatever. Well, actually, no, it's not even 3 hours, it's 4 hours. Sorry, Ava. Come on, let's just go wait. We can probably get some food or something. Ridiculous. It's lucky I don't have to open them.
They're on that side.
Okay, we're going to be coming looking for passenger Jarmala. Please report to gate B20 for your flight to San Diego. Doors are closing shortly.
So many of those little things that go on the speakers up there. It's so annoying. I know. So this is our gate. I think. So
Yeah, and
let's just go wait, I guess.
Oh, there's a spider right there.
Oh, okay. Okay, so they're a lot smaller than I thought. I thought they were bigger.
So, what now? Not sure. Just wait for hours. How about I go run and grab some food real quick? Sound good? Sound good. Okay, bye. Be back quickly. We're hungry. Okay, I'm back. They didn't have any good food, so, yeah. Great. Yeah, so let's just wait for 3 more hours. 3 hours later. I gotta pee real quick. Bye. No, we're about to board the plane. If he misses it, he misses it. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am your pilot, and we are about ready to board the plane. So if you could just line up, all of you A's, line up right here. Ouch. And we will board the plane. So yeah, let's go. Are we A's? No, I think we're B's. Oh man. Alright, now that the A's have boarded, it's time for the B's. Come on and get in line. Finally. I think there's not a lot of us. That looks like everybody. Let's go. There's the pilot, or I am the pilot. We're ready to go. You guys on back. Wait, where'd everybody go?
There's the plane in the background. I want to check on these spiders.
Dang it.
Hey guys, it's Sugar. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more videos, go check out my channel. Bye!